Where are you guys? Where did you come from?
We went outside.
What's that? Oh, that's Nana's bread.
Turon.
No, try Papa bread.
Rice.
Rice.
And the most favorite.
Ice cream. Oh,
Ice cream and jelly.
Yes, we
good job, Meron turon.
Where's the jelly?
I don't know where's the jelly. Very good, guys.
Nope.
Let's eat peanut butter and bread. This is the bread. This is my bread. And what's your bread, Kung King? Papa's bread. Kuting bread. And where's your bread? Yeah. Happy weekend! Bread muna kami. So, ito ka ng kanin. Kain ka na ng turon. Bread is bread. Bread and butter. We are going to cook today, mga loves. And let's... Eto, pinakukuluan ko na. Or, I don't know, what do you call this? Pinakuksan siya sa Cebu. Pero gagawin ko siyang parang... Papaano ko lang siya. Ang tawag niya? Papadry ko yung water. Para mamaya mantika na lang yung maiwan sa kanya. Okay. Yan, tumutulo na siya. Yan. And I'm done with my cooking. Ano na, mga humba. Ayun. So, let's find out kung anong ginagawa nila. Baby kong happy. Bye-bye. Ni Boy Pilas. Let's see. Hi, guys. Wow, relax na relax. Guys, let's eat. They're watching Gods of Egypt.
Look! Look at me! Look at me!
What are you doing? Now, let's eat. Come on. Pause lang muna yan. Pause. This is... This is our weekend eating
Thank you for
getaway.
cooking.
Wala, pumayat na ako. Wala, pumayat na ako. Ang laki ng breath. Sushi.